everyone, and welcome to the meditation channel. Let's begin. Close your eyes and get yourself in a comfortable position and listen to my voice. Take this moment to center yourself, to be present, to be still, to be aware. Following your breath in and out, in and out. Life can definitely become overwhelming. It becomes stressful, and at times we feel as though we have the world on our shoulders. We feel that we have so much to do and not enough time to get it done. And so today's meditation is designed to help you deal with exhaustion and burnout. We are going to reset our energy, allowing us to soothe the nervous system and reactivate our energy so that we can move on with ease, with peace, and with flow. And so just beginning to take a moment to acknowledge where you're at, to acknowledge the fact that you are exhausted, that you are tired and overwhelmed. And can you take a moment of love and compassion for yourself? Saying thank you to yourself for being so strong. But today, we're going to be kind. We're going to be gentle. We're going to nurture and listen to ourselves. And so if you like, place your hands above your heart and take a moment to thank your body for being so strong, for pushing you through all of this and carrying you. And now we're going to call forth the angelic realm, inviting our angels and giving them full permission to help us today. We invite them to help reset our nervous system, allowing us to reset our body and our energy. And so from above you now, visualizing a beautiful soft blue light moving down. As this energy moves down, it swirls around you from the top of your head, moving down your body, down your shoulders. Down, 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 until it surrounds your whole body. This energy is very, very gentle, soothing, calming, peaceful. And as the energy begins to move closer towards your skin, entering your skin, you feel a cooling touch. And just take a moment now to breathe it in. And as you breathe it in, you gently begin to release your body and feel yourself being transported into another reality. You begin to hear waves surrounding you as you find yourself gently floating in a soothing body of water. This water is crystal emerald green and blue colors, very healing, very peaceful, very safe. The energies here are from the realm of Atlantis, a faraway realm where all of these energies are designed to reset and heal you physically, emotionally, mentally, and spiritually. The temperature of the water is absolutely perfect, with a slight, gentle cooling touch. And slowly now this water begins to get brighter and light begins to be activated within it. Like the rays of the sun breaking through the water from underneath. And as this light is activated, you feel your body receiving and reacting to it. It's like your body is opening up, inviting in, and not resisting, relaxing even more. You are beginning to feel the true energy of peace and stillness. And just wanting to be here in this moment forever. You don't need anything here. You don't need to do anything or be anywhere but here. And so beginning now to feel the healing enter your skin, entering your system and connecting to your nervous system. Through your blood, your muscles, your spine, all the way down to the cellular level. It's almost as if this water has entered your body and soothing your entire system. Cooling, gentle waves of peace inside you. And you can breathe even deeper now. Breathe even more peacefully. Infinite expansion. And slowly, slowly this energy enters your heart, expanding your heart, allowing your heart to absolutely relax and open up. You notice how much tension you were holding on to from the amount of relaxation and openness you are receiving right now. And just allowing yourself to bathe in this peaceful frequency, enjoying it. Just being. And now giving your angels permission to take over and invite any more healing, any more peace, anything else that is needed for you specifically at this time. And so as you receive, just notice anything that comes up, information, sensations, or anything else. And gently and slowly now the healing is being completed. As that beautiful energy and light fades away around you, allowing you to return back to that water as it was from the beginning. And gently and slowly you feel yourself being submerged into the water. And as you are being submerged, you begin to return back to your body, back to this reality where you are meditating now. You gently begin to become aware of your body, of the energies around you, of your breath. And taking a moment of gratitude for this healing, for this peaceful resetting and reprogramming. And deepening your breath now as you reactivate your body and build up your expansion towards the outside world. When you are ready, begin to wiggle your toes and your fingers gently and slowly, bringing yourself back. If you like, begin to stretch your body out very slowly, very, very gently. Take your time to return, and when it feels right, come back and open your eyes.